Foodie Menu Importer. This is a project I've been working on the past week, and it's been awesome to work on. It's been such a good learning experience for me. The Here's the premise: is the problem we're trying to solve is companies will have menus like this, where there's tons and tons of different menu options to choose from, menu items, and for Foodie, we need a way of basically getting all this data in our current systems. In the past, we've had to manually input information, so copying the title, putting in the title, copying the description, price, etc., inputting that manually in the system. It takes way too long. Um, so the Foodie Menu Importer solves this. So how it works is you just upload your PDF menu. In the future, we'll expand this to also make it so you can input text if it's needed, or other, like maybe images too, and use an OCR reader. For now, we're just gonna do PDF. And after you upload your PDF, you'll then be able to review and edit. And this is the mode where I'm thinking is going to be the huge game changer. Is this mode right here? After you review and edit, you'll finally be able to import it by converting it to a CSV file. Really simple. In the future, we may expand it to also convert beyond just CSV, um, and the input to be beyond just PDF. But as of now, it works really well. It's gathered all the prices. It's gathered all the descriptions, the categories, the names really well. Even ingredients, it picked up on those. So it's done a really nice job. What it hasn't done is directory tags customizations. Um, the less important stuff, it picked up on calories too. And so picked up 53 different items in 11 different categories. It's been really good. Um, so you can see we have this AI menu editor here, and say we want to add more ingredients for things that might be missing ingredients, or dietary tags and customizations. So we'll be able to do that with this AI. We can send this. You can also use the add context button to add additional context in a real world scenario. A company might not have this information on their menu, but they have it in a text file or some other file. They'll be able to paste that into the add context, and it will put exactly what dietary tags and customizations should be on each item. For now, we're just going to have it generated, which should work great. In the meantime, we can also look at the bulk edit button. We added this, so you can add huge changes to things if you need. That's for things that the AI might not get as much. Um, and now that this just finished, we can see our changes summary. It modified 46 different dishes, pretty much almost every one. We can see it added this customization right here, add gravy. It added, changed it from none to gluten-free. It goes down, it shows all the changed items. Um, and yeah, it did a pretty decent job. It didn't get all the customizations, um, but we didn't give it any data, so I wouldn't really expect it to. But just based off this prompt, you can pretty much change massive parts of your menu just through a prompt, and then you can just accept it. You can revert to previous versions too. Um, it's really nice, really handy. Um, you can also tell it to remove all. You can also tell it to remove items. So, say, I don't know, you want to delete a specific item, you can tell it to do that. Or you can even go to the extreme, overhaul your menu in this thing. I don't know why you would, but it can do it. Um, it's a little bit more than 3 items. But gets the point across. This thing can make changes. It's not always accurate, uh, but for this scenario, it shows the power of this AI menu editor. We can also add items, so we can ask it to add those back in since it deleted those. And it will also do that. So it'll show you all the changes too. It's really, really nice. And it'll also even say previewing those changes. Say you don't want to accept these, you can reject or apply. Um, you can apply them. You can even go back to different changes and edit from there again. It's really, really nice to have, and I think it's going to save a ton of time. And when you're ready, you can click the export CSV, and you'll be able to export your menu to a CSV file. And all your info will be in there. It's really awesome. It's gonna be really easy now to do stuff like that. Anyways, that was pretty much the project I've been working on, and I really hope this will go somewhere with a company. Who knows? We could even turn this into its own product. Anyways, thank you for watching.